Now we are solving GATE 2021 engineering science thermodynamics paper. So this is question number first. So it is given that a refrigerator working on a reverse Carnot cycle has a COP of 4. If it works as a heat pump and consumes work input of 1 kilowatt, the heating effect will be. So let us draw a heat pump. A heat pump is a device which takes heat from a lower temperature QL by taking some work input and reject heat to a higher temperature which is QH. A refrigerator is a device which take heat from a lower temperature by taking some work input and reject heat to a higher temperature QH. Now if a refrigerator is working on a Carnot cycle, then COP of such a refrigerator is given by TL upon TH minus of TL. See, general formula for COP is desired effect upon work input. So in refrigeration case, the desired effect is QL. So this is COP QL upon work input. Now this WN is QH minus of QL. So COP of refrigerator is QL upon QH minus of QL. Now if this refrigerator is working on the Carnot cycle, then Carnot COP is a function of temperature. The COP of Carnot refrigerator working between the temperature limits TH and TL depends solely on the temperature. So this is the formula for refrigerator, Carnot refrigerator. Now if this refrigerator works as a heat pump, means this is the desired effect. A heat pump is a reverse AC which takes heat from the outside environment, which is at 4 degrees Celsius, and reject heat to the room, which is generally maintained at 25 to 30 degrees Celsius. So COP of a heat pump is given by QH upon QH minus of QL. Now if this COP of a heat pump is working on a Carnot cycle, then this is TH upon TH minus of TL. Now if I subtract this from this, so I can get COP of a heat pump minus COP of refrigerator is equal to 1. Now in the question it is given the COP of refrigerator working on the Carnot cycle has 4. The value of this is 4. So COP of a heat pump will be minus 4 is equal to 1. So this is COP of heat pump is 5. Now the question is, if it works as a heat pump and consume work input of 1 kilowatt, the heating effect will be. So if this is working as a heat pump, so the heating effect is QH, and we will follow the basic definition of COP. Now COP for a heat pump is defined as QH upon work input. Now work input it is given as 1 kilowatt. COP is 5. So I can get QH is equal to 5 kilowatt. So from the given option C is the correct.